Most guys believe that to attract a woman, they have to look like Hollywood stars or at least have a high level of muscle mass or a bank account balance that makes people jealous. Those features would probably catch your eye, but the rest of the story is much deeper. Women notice things that often get ignored but leave a lasting impact. These subtle details can instantly create attraction, intrigue, and even a deeper connection. What a total game changer to understand what women focus on when you walk into a room. All of this comes down from your grooming habits and the way you treat people that makes you stand out in a crowd. We're going to dive deep into 12 things women notice first about men. It's actually surprising, some of them, and the last ones are pure essentials you won't want to miss. So let's go further, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. 1. Your face. Women notice your face almost immediately. It's like your personal billboard. A clean, well-groomed face speaks volumes about self-respect and attention to detail. This doesn't mean you need movie star looks, but keeping your beard neat, eyebrows trimmed, and hair styled can make a huge difference. Studies show that facial grooming is often seen as a sign of confidence, hygiene, and self-care, all attractive qualities. 2. Your ability to hold a conversation. Looks may start it all, but a good conversation is what keeps it alive. Women love a man who can engage them with intelligence, humor, and genuine curiosity. A meaningful discussion reveals your personality and makes her feel valued. Being an attentive listener and responding thoughtfully can forge a deeper connection that leaves her wanting more. 3. Your smile. An immediate turn-on is a warm, sincere smile. A man who exudes happiness and approaches everyone with a smile usually gains the interest of every woman around him. Smiling demonstrates comfort and confidence in your setting. In general, tension in social interactions is reduced once someone cracks a smile. Therefore, when people start smiling, it opens a good foundation for things to really click. 4. Your style and grooming. Before you even say a word, your clothes are speaking for you. Women like a man who cares about his appearance. You don't need a closet full of designer labels. You just need to ensure that the clothes fit well, suit your personality, and are clean and coordinated. A put-together look says you care about how you present yourself to the world, which is really attractive. 5. Your personality and energy. A magnetic personality is what truly sets a man apart. Women notice when you're kind, confident, and a bit unpredictable. Contrary to the bad boy stereotype, what most women value is a man who is genuine, self-assured, and kind. Being bold and comfortable with yourself without being overbearing strikes the perfect balance. 6. Your behavior toward others. The way you treat people, especially those who can't offer you anything in return, speaks volumes about your character. Women notice how you treat servers, colleagues, children, and even strangers. Treating everyone with kindness and respect shows maturity, empathy, and emotional intelligence, which are very hard to resist. 7. Your voice and tone. Your voice is a secret superpower. Women do not just hear what you are saying, but how you say it. A confident, steady voice conveys composure and self-assurance. A softer voice, too loudly heard, a poor message you will send. Clarity and purpose in speaking make you sound confident and poise the attention to capture immediately. 8. Paying your attention to her. When the woman feels the center of your attention, the game gets changed. Women will pick up if you are distracted, checking your surroundings, or stuck on your phone. Being fully present speaks to a sense of respect and interest. Such attention creates a connection that stays with people long after the conversation is over. 9. Your body language. Your body posture and movement speak volumes before even opening your mouth. Women can pick up if you hold yourself up tall, make eye contact, and move with a level of confidence. Open, relaxed body language signals that you're approachable and comfortable in your skin. On the flip side, fidgeting or slouching can indicate nervousness or insecurity. 10. Your physical fitness and health. You don't need to be a bodybuilder, but taking care of your physical health matters. Women notice when a man values his well-being It suggests self-discipline, energy, and longevity. Being active and keeping fit says that you care about yourself and the future, which is inspiring and attractive. 11. Your fragrance. Smell is a potent sense, and it happens to be one of the first things people notice. A fresh, good smell says that you wash regularly and pay attention to even the smallest details. Invest in a quality cologne and ensure that you're fresh and clean. A memorable scent can spark attraction and even create long-lasting emotional connections. 12. Your hands. It may seem a bit surprising, but women tend to notice a man's hands. Well-groomed hands show that you care for yourself, while rough or calloused hands suggest one who works hard and is rugged. More than appearance, it matters how you move your hands. Confident gestures, good expressive movements, and an easy approach add up to the appeal of your total looks. Conclusion. Little things do matter a lot, from the way women see and perceive your smile to a scent they feel while with you. By focusing on these 12 key areas, you'll not only boost your confidence but also create lasting impressions wherever you go. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about showing the best version of yourself. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell for more insights to help you shine. Until next time, stay confident, stay authentic, and keep making those first impressions count.